to be returned.
Okay.
Do I get some kind of receipt for giving it to you guys?
What's it for?
It's a returned form requesting me to go to court on Monday
Right.
because there's an error with it.
Is there?
There is.
But I need to know what department.
Well,
So what is it? A summons?
it's a summons, yes.
Right, for a fine.
It's to appear to. It's an invitation to go to a business place, which is called the magistrates' courts, which is another registered business.
Yeah.
And they're requesting that I go there, which I've kindly declined their invitation.
Right.
And I've legally done it because I know how the law is working with common law.
Right.
So,
I'm trying to think what department that would be.
well,
Get someone to do
so I've legally put all the words on it that are necessary, you know, because obviously I don't know if you understand it or not, and I'm not.
Depends what department it is.
If you-
it's
well,
my
it- well-
department yet.
Well, I've handed it to you, so it's back in the building.
Yes.
Um,
No, give it
if
to
you
me.
want to open it now,
Is that alright? Do you mind?
it's not my decision. It's in your hands.
No, I'll open it, that's fine. I'm
Um,
allowed to open letters.
you're allowed to open
As long as
it.
I've got nothing in it, it's going to start
No,
blowing up.
no, it's nothing that you. It's basically all the paperwork that was sent to me.
Right, let's have a look. What it is.
I've just returned it.
Okay.
You know, the offer to contract was very kind, but I've decided to decline it. You know,
Let's have a little look, just so I know who to give it to.
what I've learnt, you see, is that I'm not a boat.
Right, please. Right.
I'm not a boat or anything, so I've decided to return it. I've found out that I'm a human being
Right.
who lives on the land.
Right, so that would be pre-court,
So,
I think. Right.
so I've just given it all to you, and then, you know, you can give it to
Do
them.
you want me to get them to say, put something down for you to say that you've given it in?
Yeah,
or?
yeah, because I
Yeah?
don't want them to think that on Monday in the afternoon that I didn't turn up
Yeah,
because of on their reasons. I've not turned up on my reasons
yeah,
because of what's written on the envelope.
right,
So it's legally binding, you see.
yes. Right, wait there then.
Okay, thank you. Just handed in the paperwork and wait to see what happens. Quite nervous. I've got my brave coat on. I'm trying to hide everything so they don't know I'm recording. I don't think they like it in here. Anyway, I'm going to hide you a bit. Oh, there's two of them coming back now. They're unsure what to do. It's very strange. Lots of people now running around out the back with my envelope, confused, passing it about. I can't show you. They all look confused out the back at the minute.
They're coming back.
I hope so.
You didn't find anyone?
No, I just spoke to someone. I just gave them a letter, and it seems to have caused a lot of panic out the back now. They're all running around, passing it about and shaking their heads. I don't really know what they're doing. I didn't think one letter would cause so much disruption out the back. Mind you, saying that they send us letters, don't they? They cause a lot of disruption.
But it's supposed to be somebody that told her.
Yeah, there was somebody here, but I just gave her a letter, and she read it, went out the back, and now they're all panicking. Hello there.
Sorry. I've just been to see the clerk, just because we're not legally qualified, we don't know what exactly to say or to give you a receipt or anything.
Yeah.
So they are. He said it is a legal document.
Yeah.
And if you're welcome to hand it in, or you're welcome to keep it. But it was served at the person known as that person. At the
I'm not a person. I'm
address.
a human being.
So,
which we all are.
Yeah. So what is? So it's you're entitled.
Well,
to
I'm entitled to bring it back.
Yes.
Because it's returned to sender.
Right.
I would have put it through the postal service, but I'm trying to save you money on the return to sender,
That's
which is
fine. So
which is being kind.
Yeah,
But
we can't give you a receipt.
That's fine. You don't have
So
to give me.
I
I didn't know if you wanted to.
Yeah.
I was giving you the offer
That's
to
fine
do
then.
so,
That's
but I
fine.
wanted to make sure that you had it.
Yes.
You understood that you had it.
Yes.
Then the clerk understands he has it,
Yeah.
and the clerk understands that I've refused his offer of an invitation to
Right.
turn up at his place
That's
of
fine,
business.
yes, yeah.
And he will need to now think about what his next actions will be
Right.
in accordance to what he wants to do.
That's fine.
But as long as he understands that I'm a human being and the person is a fictional person, which is a birth certificate.
Yeah.
My
So
birth certificate.
What it's basically, as I say,
I know, I'm just saying my birth
it's
certificate
all-
cannot speak for itself because it's a piece of paper.
Yeah.
That's who they're writing to, because it's informed to that person there.
Right.
Which is,
Okay.
yeah, and I'm a human being, unfortunately, and I know that.
No.
So it's not addressed to
What-
me.
So that's fine. That's fine. What I'll do is all he said
I know.
is
I've
the summons. So if you can either take this or we can take it. It's whatever.
I've returned it to sender no contract. You see, that's exactly what it says. I don't recognise. Yeah. So basically, I won't be attending on Monday because I don't recognise it.
That's your
Yeah.
your right.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks
But if
very
you want,
much.
if you want to say, who wants to know who hand delivered it, my name is Paul Phillip of the family commonly known as Donachie.
Right.
That's who I am. That is not who I am.
Right. Okay.
So, all right. Thank you. Bye bye. Right. Yeah. Press the green button to get in and get out. Right. Hopefully you got all of that. Now I've delivered all that I was supposed to have done and delivered it to them. They tried to give it back to me, which I kindly declined. You know, I informed them of what I intended, and I think I've done the right thing. We'll see. I mean, I'm trying to keep my honour in all of this. That is what I'm trying to do, because this company here, Northampton Magistrates, is a company, and from what I understand, it's no more it's no more official than McDonald's is, because it's a company. So anyway, people, I'd like your thoughts, your views, your opinions on what's just gone on, and if anyone has any questions, please let me know. I will try my best to answer them, but there we go. Thanks a lot. Bye.